Hi, I'm back for exercise 3.8. So, think of at least 5 places in the world you would like to visit, store the location list, make sure the list is not in alphabetic order. Okay, so places equal India, China, Paris, Italy, and Bali. Alright. Print your list in its original order. Don't worry about printing the list neatly, just print it as a raw print list. So print places. India, China, Paris, ooh, Italy, Bali. Okay, cool. Let me run it again. There you go. India, China, Paris, Italy, Bali. Okay. Use sort to print your list in alphabetic order without modifying the actual list. Hold on. I guess I didn't need that. Use sort to print your list in alphabetic order without modifying the actual list. Print sort place. Okay, so it was India, China, Paris, Italy, and Bali. Now it's Bali, China, India, Italy, and Paris. Show that your list is still in its original order by printing it. Print places. Let's see. Back to the order it was. Use sort to print your list in reverse alphabetical order without changing the order of the original list. Alright, it took me a minute to figure out how to use sort to print your list in reverse alphabetical order without changing the order of the original list, but I got it. So it's print sorted, oops, places, reverse equal true. There you go. What? I just got it done. Sorted places. Let's see if that was a mistake. Okay, there you go. Print sorted places reverse equal true. So this is what it did. It printed the list in reverse alphabetical order without changing the order of the list, and this is how I'm going to show you. So print places, it's going to go back to the original. There you go, back to the original. Use reverse to change the order of your list. Print the list to show that its order has changed. Okay, so places doc reverse print places. There you go. You know what? I'm gonna put some space here. Fine. Okay, so this is the reverse. Bali, Italy, Paris, China, and India. Use reverse to change back to the original form. Okay, so places doc reverse. Reverse print places and back to the original. Use sort to change your list so it's sorted in alphabetical order. Print the list to show that its order has been changed. Okay, I was checking on time because I don't want to run out of time again. So I'm going to use sort to change the list so it's sorted in alphabetical order. So actually before that I want to put some space in between. So okay, so places dot sort print places. Around here. Okay. Use sort to change your list so it's sorted in reverse alphabetical order. Okay. There you go. Alright, so this is 3.9. Size 3.9. Working with one of the programs from exercise 3.4 through 3.7, use len to print a message indicating the number of people you are inviting to dinner. Okay, so len of let's see what we're gonna use here. Which list? Dinner list. So this is the length of my dinner list. So I need to print a message indicating the number of people you are inviting to dinner. So number of people is equal I will be inviting plus I'm not sure how this is gonna work. Dinner list plus I will be inviting to dinner this time. Print number people. Let's see how this is gonna work. Huh. Something's wrong here. I don't know what it is. I will be inviting. Expected. How do I fix this? Let's see. One error, 8 typo found. Okay, not working. Print a message indicating the number of people you're inviting to dinner. I will be invited. Maybe this. I will be inviting 0 to dinner this time. Perfect. It worked. Perfect. Every function. Think of something you could store in a list. For example, you could make a list of mountains, rivers, countries, cities, languages, or anything else you would like. Write a program that creates a list containing these items and then use each function introduced in this chapter at least once. Oh wow. Okay, well, I'm thinking I'm gonna stop this video and start next video because I don't want to run out of time.